Hi everyone, I'm Krista and welcome to my video on which stones and crystals are good for arthritis and joint pain. So I'm going to show you some of my top picks. So the first stone that I will show you is a beautiful piece of red jasper. And red jasper really helps to ease arthritis and rheumatic conditions, and it also helps to boost life force energy and vitality in the body. So it helps to give you energy. Sometimes when you have an arthritic flare-up, it can be painful, and also sometimes it can really cause a lot of fatigue where you're low on energy. So carrying this stone and working with it can really help you. So at the end of this video, I will tell you a little bit more details of how to actually work with these stones. So that one I would highly recommend to have in your collection. The next one I want to show you is a beautiful piece of jade. Okay, so this is rough jade. It's very pale green. So this is actually jadeite. You could also use nephrite jade. Nephrite jade is a darker green, and nephrite helps to boost life force energy, helps to give you energy and vitality, but it is also a good pain reliever. So it helps to release inflammation in the body, helps to release and reduce pain. So if you have arthritis in the fingers or wrists or knees or hips, ankles, feet, then working with this stone can really help to release that inflammation and reduce the pain, especially if you're finding it difficult to walk or move. The next one I want to show you is a piece of jet. And jet is this black stone here. It's actually not a stone, but it's from fossilized trees. And it's very lightweight, which is beautiful to work with, very easy to work with. And jet really helps to reduce swelling of the joints. So when you have a lot of swelling and inflammation in that way, working with jet will help to release that swelling and help to return your body back to a state of balance. And another one I would like to show you is garnet. So here's a piece of garnet, and it's very, very deep red, like very dark burgundy. So it almost looks a little bit like black in this video, but it's actually a very deep Bordeaux wine color. You can kind of see some of the red there. And garnet is really good for arthritis, rheumatism. It helps to boost energy and vitality, and especially if you're feeling a little depressed or down upon yourself, the garnet is really good to work with, and it also helps to boost self-healing mechanisms in the body as well. So really nice stone to work with. The next one I'd like to show you, the last stone, is turquoise. So here's a piece of turquoise, and if you are getting this stone, please make sure that it is genuine turquoise. There's a lot of fake turquoise on the market, or stones that are dyed blue. So I have a little tiny piece here, but even small pieces can be very powerful, so I encourage you to pick up some real turquoise. And turquoise is good for arthritis, joint pain, rheumatism. It's also a stone of empowerment, because sometimes what can happen is if you're suffering from pain, and arthritis is usually a chronic kind of condition, or if it's come on in an acute way, that it's very easy to get down on yourself and feel low or start to feel depressed because of the pain in your body. So what turquoise helps to do is relieve the pain, but it also helps to boost your sense self and boosts your mood to also bring in more optimistic energy. And optimism and having a higher vibration and elevated mood is really important for healing in the body. So it helps to relieve depression and sadness associated with being in pain and boost your self-healing mechanisms in the body so that you can heal and recover. So the best ways to work with these stones are choose whichever one is most appropriate for your circumstance. And if you are feeling pain in the body or you have swelling, so I'm just going to pick up the piece of jet. So let's say I had, swelling in the finger joints here. What I can do, or even if it's pain that you want to relieve, you can just gently rub the stone over your joints in your hands, your fingers, where you've got the swelling or the pain. And then what the stone will do is help to release the pain or reduce the swelling and infuse you with healing energy. So just make sure that your stones are cleansed first of any unwanted energies or negativity, and I have another video on how to do that, and then you can use the stones in that way. Carrying the stones in your pockets as well, and especially the pockets in your pants, if you have, arthritis in the hips, can be really good for that. And carrying them with you and wearing them on your body will also help to give you healing throughout the day. And carrying them on your body can really help with mobility. So if you're finding it difficult to move because of the pain and the stiffness and the swelling, then that will also help you. You can place these stones under your pillow when you sleep at night so that you get some extra healing benefit. The stones can work on you for healing while you're sleeping, which can also give you a boost. So those are my top picks. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Christa Lynn, Crystal Healing Therapist, as well as teacher of crystal healing classes. If you would like more information on crystal healing, please visit my website at christalynn.ca, or you can also like my Facebook page. Thanks so much, blessings to you, and namaste.